Many of my customers are saying bone straight hair is too expensive for the quality. They think that they should buy natural straight, not bone straight hair. So guess what? These bundles I'm holding in my hand are bone straight or natural straight. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. In this video, we will discuss the definitions, pros, cons of bone straight hair and the comparisons with straight hair. Let's discover. First of all, I will mention about the meaning of bone straight hair. It's the hair that has been styled to look straight and sleek. The intro texture of hair can be straight or somewhat curly in natural, but the hair producer will put the raw materials through a chemical procedures. Advantages of bone straight hair will be discussed now. People frequently highlight the ideal texture, time saving, and adaptability. While discussing advantages, the following characteristics have been perfectly communicated using bone straight hair meaning. The ideal texture. Many young ladies and girls adore the smoothness and silkiness of hair. You will stand out from the crowd if you have shining straight hair. Customers can effortlessly travel through hair as long as it's composed of quality materials. Time-saving quality. Hair care and preservations are made and easier and faster by its ideal texture, which features flat, smooth hair strand. As a result, it is appropriate for girls and women who don't have a lot of time to care for their appearance. Bone straight hair is thought to go well with everyone, regardless of the occasions or dress. As a result, you may wear it both as a daily attire or for formal occasions without looking out of place. Bone straight hairstyle are a secure and time-honored technique to highlight your inherent attractiveness. And now, we will move to the drawbacks of bone straight hair. Hair that virtually flawless is said to be bone straight hair. The continuous texture of hair can somewhat vary if you use special adhesive to style it into a curly or wavy look, which is a little downside. But do not fret, your hair might gain a smooth, flat appearance after using a straightener or washing. We now compare natural straight hair to bone straight hair. Some people appear to confuse the differences between hair that is straight and bone straight. We are here to provide you with fundamental knowledge you need to tell them apart. Natural straight hair develops a straight texture on its own. There are some wavy hair strands. Not all hair strands are straight. 100% of hair strands is bone straight are straight, incredibly sleek and luscious. Natural straight hair is only physically processed and combed after it's being obtained. To achieve a super straight texture, bone straight hair is likely processed and placed through a steam process. So, now I will tell you a secret. These are all bone straight hair, and you can see it's super silky, super smooth, and so shiny. So that is all you need to know about bone straight hair. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.